Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be getting into the Tekton Tools that are made in the US of A. So I'm going to go through each and every tool that I know of that is made in America and share them with you, as well as the prices and everything. I'll be throwing up pictures as well, so some of the items that I don't have you'll still get to see, and then some of the tools I do have here you'll still get to see pictures of from the website. If you guys haven't checked out Tekton, check out the website. It'll be linked down in the description for you guys, as well as other links for other tools that I suggest. So stay tuned, and I really hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, so the first things I want to get into with the Tekton Tools lineup of USA stuff are their socket organizers. And these are gonna be the same as the Ernst ones that I purchased many years ago, and I absolutely love them. They're locking, they're versatile because you can pull each rail out. You can buy them individually by the rails like this. I have some of their 1/4-inch sockets on their USA Made rails. But if you would like, they also have sets of 2 and 3 that come in trays that lock in place that you can slide out and take with you. Very, very nice organizers, and some of the best ones that I know of. So that is first up on the list, and those range anywhere from roughly $20 to $30 if you buy the 2 or 3 piece sets that come in the trays. It's a little bit cheaper if you buy just the individual rails. So next up is going to be the wrench organizers. The wrench organizer is really nice. They have a few different designs. They got the low profile, they got the standard style, and then they got a gripper style as well. So a wide variety of USA made wrench organizers. And those are going to range anywhere from $10 to $18 or $10 to $20 depending. So very affordable in all their organizers, and it's great. They're made in the USA. So next up, as far as their organizers, is going to be the plier organizer. This is a really nice organizer. It might be one that I might be purchasing next because I have an overflow of more pliers now that my plier organizer that I now own is not big enough for. So that is another nice item. Next up is a more universal type of thing, not really much of a tool, but they're bungee cords. Their bungee cords are also made in the USA, and I believe they have 3 different colors for different lengths and everything like that. And those are very affordable, like $7. So next up, besides the bungee cords, are going to be their air hoses, and they have a very, very wide variety of the air hoses, different sizes or diameters, as well as lengths as well. So very nice there. Getting into some more of the actual tools, and something that I'm going to show you here are their punches and chisels. I have a pretty large set that comes in a nice wooden block that keeps everything organized, and it's going to have a variety of different roll punches and small chisels and stuff like that. Very nice set, very well made, very strong, and really glad they updated from their previous version to these USA made ones, and they're still very affordable. That's the great thing about Tekton. Not only are all their tools affordable, but their USA made tools are very affordable. So that's one thing I love, is they were able to keep all of their they added USA tools to their lineup, and they still kept them affordable. So that's another great thing. So they go from these small punches all the way up to some pretty large punches and chisels. So here I have a couple as an example. This is the 5/16 USA made punch. This is part number 66278, and you can tell this is a pretty large guy right here. And then I also have a large chisel over here. This is a 1-inch, part number 66209, and this is just a small portion of what they offer, so keep that in mind. So really nice that they upgraded to some USA punches and chisels, and really happy about that. So which range anywhere from $30 to $50 for sets, or roughly $5 each if you buy them individually, and depending on the size. Next up is something I wish I would have gotten through Tekton, but I bought a couple other brands have this. Craftsman, Hyper Tough. I mean, there's a couple other brands that use this USA made pry bar. And the thing I love about Tekton is it's an all black. I like this. I love the pry bar itself. I got the 3-piece set. It's a striking cap, very comfortable, square handle design, a nice thicker shaft compared to their older pry bars, and very durable and very, very affordable. I think the 3-piece standard set is like somewhere around $30. So very nice, made in the USA. And the Tekton one is going to be all black. So I wish I would have purchased it from them. Not that I regret this purchase, but when you buy something from Tekton, if you get it from their website, then you get 10% onto your rewards program, and you can use that towards other purchases. So that's really nice. Plus, it's a lot easier to warranty through Tekton than it would be something like Craftsman if you purchased it from Sears or anything like that. Sometimes warrantying something like this can be a real pain, where Tekton relieves all of that stress of the warranty process. So that is one upside of buying these from Tekton. And they have a wide variety. You can buy them individually, or you can buy them as sets. They have a much larger set as well, and that's going to range anywhere from $15 to $50 for their biggest set. And then up after the pry bars are going to be some of their USA made pliers. Not all of their pliers are made in the USA, but they do have 3 styles. They have their tongue and groove or groove joint pliers here, and then they have their slip joint pliers, and then they also have another one that I don't have. It's called the nut jaw pliers, and they're all going to be made in the USA. Same classic handle rubber design, classic designs on the pliers themselves. I do like the features that this slip joint plier has. It has a few different types of open jaw features and everything, so it's really nice and still very, very affordable. I believe these pliers run anywhere from $10 to $20 a set, so very, very affordable stuff. After their pliers are going to be some of their screwdrivers, nut drivers. They got Torx, they got Allens. I mean, they got a wide variety, and it's going to come in handle design similar to this. It's their tri-lobe design. This is their standard black oxide screwdriver set. I have, I believe, the 12-piece set. I love the feeling of this handle. It's very comfortable, very strong, and I do believe they're going to be releasing a chrome shaft version of this. Right now, I believe it's just the black oxide, but if you don't like the black oxide, stay tuned. I do believe they're going to be doing a chrome finish. So really, really nice handle, and love this set. Also, once again, the nut drivers are going to have a different cap. Instead of it being red, it might be, I believe, gray. And then differences with their Allens and Torx. This is their scribing awl, and it is all black with that same tri-lobe design. It's more of like a stubby handle, so it's really nice as well. Some other designs they have are their new 4-sided hard-handled screwdrivers. These are really nice. You can get this in black oxide or chrome finish. I have it here in the chrome finish with a black oxide tip to prevent chipping of the chrome and messing with your screwdriver and how it fits. So that's nice. It's got that black oxide finish on the tip. Other than that, it's a nice classic hard handle design, very comfortable, and I know a lot of people love this handle design. Other than that, they did introduce that same handle design into their 6-in-1s, and I believe they have 4 or 5 different varieties of their 6-in-1s. This is their Phillips and flathead. They also have Torx and square and Allen and all of that, so a wide variety. You can pick what bits you want with this. Now keep in mind, as far as the 6-in-1s, it's just going to be the handle that's made in the USA. This is still made in Taiwan, but still really nice, and I really enjoy those. Up after the screwdrivers, they are going to be releasing their new crow's feet, which is going to be really nice. These are going to be made in the USA. Obviously, all of these are made in the USA. So as far as the screwdrivers, sorry, I forgot to mention, I'm sure you saw pictures, but they're anywhere from $10 to $100, obviously, depending on if you purchase a single one or a stubby set of 2 screwdrivers, all the way up to your very large sets. So a wide variety there. As far as their crow's feet, as far as sets, they're going to range from $75 to $200. Obviously, that's going from their standard size set all the way up to their very large set. And I'll throw some pictures up in here, and then you can buy them individually, which averages around $10 for their smaller ones and everything like that. So really excited to see those and get those and show you guys a review on that, but those are yet to be released. but you can buy them by themselves, or you can buy them on a kind of a rail system that's specifically designed for crow's feet, or you can get them on kind of like it's almost like a rod. I can't really think of the name of it right now, but they all just slide onto this rod and hold it and keep everything organized. So you get 3 different options there. They also have the famous angled wrench set, which has been out for a couple years now, but they sell out all the time. Right now they're finally staying in stock, but for almost a year and a half or more, they were constantly selling out. As soon as they got a shipment in, the shipment was going out. So it was ridiculously popular because they're really well made, beautiful chrome job, as well as all the other Tekton stuff. But they're really, really nice USA made wrenches, and they were very affordable. I mean, sets similar to these from other companies were running 3 times the price. So these were very, very competitive, and a lot of people were interested and still are. So if you guys haven't checked them out, go ahead and check out the Tekton website for those. And those are going to range anywhere from $10 to $110 each, depending on the size that you get. Keep in mind that Tekton has a wide variety of sizes, all the way up to 2 inches or 50 millimeters. So that is a big wrench if you're into heavy duty diesel or anything like that, where you need larger wrenches like that, or if you're into hydraulics, these are a very big lineup. But the sets range anywhere from $85 to $800. Obviously, $85 to about $500 for your standard sizes, your more common sizes for just standard automotive work. And then as you get up into $500 range and $800 range, you're getting into a very, very big set that goes up to 2 inches and 50 millimeters. So that's why the price is up there. So that's really it as far as I could think of for the Tekton USA made lineup of tools. And I believe the ones that I have, I absolutely love. They've held up very well, and I do plan on getting more of their USA made tools. And if there are any more updates in the near future for Tekton USA made tools, I'll make sure to update you guys on that and keep you guys informed. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section of your thoughts, or if you've purchased any of these USA made items, let me know your guys' thoughts on those. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.